And just like that, we're back with yet again another update on our good old friend Pepe. Shout out to the Pepe community as always. Cannot thank you guys enough for all your support. If you want to see a continuation of these updates, of course, like the video, hit that red subscribe button, and do let me know in the comments, of course. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening right now. It seems like the year started off on a really positive note, and just in a snap, you are seeing the market, retracing yet again. I know a lot of people are frustrated at this. What's going on? Why is the price of Pepe not going up? Why is the price of altcoins not going up? If you're looking at it on a weekly time frame, still, you're still seeing quite a bit of green across the board. Yes, Pepe down 8.3%, but as far as the broader market is concerned, you're still seeing quite a bit of strength, within the crypto markets, and that is something that I don't want you guys to be forgetting at all. But yeah, looking at the price of Pepe, 1841 right now, still 4 zeros in front of the price. Down 5% in USD, down 1.4% in Ethereum, comparative with a market cap at about 7.75 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about $2 billion. Before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. I know, people are very, very fast to come and jump, on Pepe, whether it's Dogecoin, whether it's any coin that there's every single coin is going to get hit at the end of the day. But with that said, I want you guys to kind of take a look at this. The entire meme coin market valuation has dropped 11% over the last 24 hours. And you're looking at the big dogs, Dogecoin down 10.7%, Shiba Inu down 10%. You're looking at Pepe down 10%. Pretty much if you go down all the way, you could really see how much, the market has retraced. I have absolutely no idea what this coin right here is, but it's gone up quite a bit. Let me know in the comments if you know what this thing is. But yeah, a lot of red yet again. And if this is not a learning lesson at this point for you guys, I don't know what will be. So, if you've been in this space for 2 years plus, and you've been pretty much having meme coins in your portfolio, you're noticing one specific pattern. And that one specific pattern is, when meme coins go up, they go up very fast. But when they go down, they will retrace much more than utility projects. Look at it. Speaks for itself. I want you guys to take a look at the daily time frame. Obviously this coin has been on an absolute tear. Obviously it being down 20% doesn't shock me. But if you're looking at Pepe, if you're looking at the likes of Loki, these coins actually, if you pull out the charts even, if you kind of compare it with the charts themselves, they're actually down more than some of these utility projects. So, higher risk, higher reward, because at the end of the day, in terms of use case, these projects have absolutely zero use case. And, it's all supply and demand. And, once this bull market is over, I hate to say it, I know it's a tough, pill to swallow for some people, but 99.9% of these meme coins, we literally had this conversation yesterday, are going to zero. So have that strategy in place. Lock those profits in when you see them. That's how you succeed in this market. But as far as Pepe is concerned, it's still remaining as the top three. I'm very bullish on Pepe, as you guys know. I still do believe it has everything it takes for it to, get to that top 2 spot, but it's not an overnight thing, right? In terms of the holder count, still growing day in, day out. So if you're looking at the dominance index, literally mooning right now. Not a good sign, and again, not a surprise at why we're seeing so much retracement across the board. As far as Bitcoin is concerned, Bitcoin is pulling down, a major drop, about 6% over the last 24 hours, which again is, speaking for itself if you're looking at the market over the last few hours. But now if you're looking at Pepe right now, Pepe's price has retraced. What is the next target? We always talk about targets. Next target, without a doubt, in my opinion, if we lose the support where we currently are, we could be making our way back down and retesting the May 26th, all-time highs. That target is still on the table. And if you want to put this into perspective, it's about a 7% move from where we currently are. Here, let me just highlight that for you guys. There you are. It's a 7%, pullback from where we currently are. So if we lose the support, high chance of us retesting that. And I know a lot of people are going to be coming out and saying, well, if that's the case, why can't we make our way back down to the likes of that December 20th low at the 1434? We need to remember, this did not last too long. It was due to, Bitcoin, pullback and, market shakeout. But Of course, if we go below the 1740 zone, there could still be a chance that we do retest this, but that would be quite a sharp drop. This is a drop of about 21.7%, so it requires the market to pull back quite significantly for this to happen. Obviously I mentioned in my H bar update, if Bitcoin decides to have a flash crash, liquidate, these massive longs that are piling up, again, this is part of the game. Remember, Bitcoin cracked past 100,000 for the first time. I know, people are talking about, the inflation, uncertainty and all that good stuff, the economy not looking as good as, people expect it to be, based off of, what Jeremy Powell said at the FOMC meeting. So, of course, these are some factors, but I still do believe, we need to think about it from the outside the box. And what I mean by that is look at it from an investor's or even a whale perspective. Remember, right now, Bitcoin broke out of $100,000 for the first time for the year of 2025. This probably got a lot of people bullish. People started longing, and this is where the whale stepped into, like, not so fast, shook out, and massive liquidations occurred. And again, a continuous reminder why you want to stay away from leverage trading. I was totally against it. If this is your first time coming onto the channel, stay away from leverage trading. That's one thing that I will, strongly suggest you guys to do so. But, that's how I'm currently looking at it. I think it's just a retracement right now, due to, overly crazy amounts of leverage positions. And I'm very confident that is the main reason why you're seeing a little bit of a pullback. But again, one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.